Hi there. Today we're diving into a vital aspect of health that often gets overlooked: quality sleep and how it aids in the body's recovery. Quality sleep is more than just the time to rest. It's a crucial part of the body's recovery and repair process. Let's explore how. First, let's talk about sleep stages. During sleep, your body goes through different stages, including REM and deep sleep. Each of these stages play a unique role in recovery. In deep sleep, your body focuses on physical recovery. This is when tissue and muscle repair themselves and the growth hormone is released, helping to build and repair muscle tissue and bones. During sleep, your immune system also gets a boost. Quality sleep enhances the production of cytokines, proteins that help fight infection and inflammation, thus supporting your immune defense. Sleep isn't just about physical recovery. It's essential for mental health too. During REM sleep, the brain processes information, consolidates memories, and supports emotional well-being. Without enough REM sleep, cognitive function and emotional stability can suffer. Getting quality sleep helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. It's a key ingredient for overall health, helping you recover, rebuild, and recharge. If you're struggling with sleep or looking to optimize your health, Joyal Wellness is here to help. Our experts can guide you on improving your sleep and overall well-being. Call us today at 904-448-1025 or email us at joyalwellness@gmail.com. Let's work together to ensure you get the quality sleep your body needs for optimum recovery. Remember, quality sleep is a cornerstone of good health. Don't wait. Reach out to Joyal Wellness and start your journey to better rest and recovery. Thanks for watching and sleep well.